Hello po. So the title of my project is How Rice Can Be Used in Creating Three-Dimensional Art. So just a quick overview. The concept for my project is the Balangay boat or the Butuan boat, which originated from Agusan del Norte province. The main materials are rice, indigenous materials like Chinese bamboo sticks, and the bengao or bango plant leaves, and some minor materials like recycled materials. So for the first part, I made the armature by twisting wires, copper wires, and forming the initial shape of the boat. After that, I wrapped masking tape all over, um, and I tried to secure na walang butas and try to cover up, and I tried to perfect the shape as much as possible and remove some details that did not help with the shape. So for next, I went to the market and bought some rice. I tried to look for brown rice, and yung nakita kong magandang kulay is yung red rice, which looks like brown actually, and the Balatinaw black malagkit rice. So I gathered the materials and started applying the red rice. I flipped the boat over and started from the bottom and tried to reapply red rice all over. It took many days kasi hinintay ko. So ayun po. For the next part, I tried to find for some other parts to add to the boat, and I found Chinese bamboo outside the garden namin. So I cut them to different sizes and added them on the boat. I used a glue gun, glue stick to stick them together. Tapos for the roof part, I used the black Balangay rice and glued them together. And then I pinatong ko sa recycled paper na lang. And then after that, I placed yung other parts, other details, gamit yung Chinese bamboo sticks on the boat, and then para ma-form talaga yung roof part, nag-stick ako ng Chinese bamboo sticks upright, tapos pinatong ko na lang yung roof. And then in the next process, I cut 2 long sticks and then binutasan ko yung ilalim part para tumayo ito for the main sail part of the boat. Yun po. Tapos yun, naghanap din naman ako sa labas ng long elongated leaves. Ito po siya. For the main sail part. So I started weaving on a flat surface para bumuo ng square or rectangular shape. And I added the Chinese bamboo sticks to hold them together, at para hindi siya mag-unravel, I used copper wires to hold each end together. Ito po yung final product. So ayun po, I placed the weaved leaves on the 2 elongated sticks to complete the main sail and the overall shape. So that is all. In addition, if for future researchers, they can I did not research kasi on how long it takes for the materials to stay fresh, but future researchers can do that. So eto po siya, the following after 3 days yung leaf. Eto po siya after 3 days, nawala na yung freshness ng plants. The next day, yun po, lumalabas na yung, nagsislip na yung leaves. Tapos the next day, pati yung kulay niya is nawawala na din. Yun po, starting to rot na talaga. And lastly, ito na po siya. Hindi na talaga siya fresh at pleasant makita. Ayun lang po.